Now the fourth life process, excretion. What is the meaning of excretion? Excretion is the process of removal of excreta. Excreta means body waste. Our body or a living organism, the body itself is a chemical factory. Many chemical processes are going on in a living body. These processes are called metabolism. When these chemical processes are going on in a living body, some byproducts are also formed, as I told you earlier. For example, the excretory organ kidneys, they remove the excreta like urea, uric acid through the urine. So kidneys are the excretory organs. Like that, the sweat glands in the skin. Sweat glands release the sweat, which is also an example of excreta. If I blow air onto a mirror, you can see it becomes hazy. The image is blurred. You know, the expired air contains carbon dioxide and water vapor. That is due to the burning of glucose. C6H12O6 molecule combines with oxygen, releases carbon dioxide and water in the form of water vapor plus ATP molecules, that is the energy. You have already learned it in smaller classes. So this is also one of the examples of metabolic reactions in the body. What is the excreta here? Carbon dioxide and water. So the expired air contains carbon dioxide and water vapor. That is what the image was becoming blurred. So these two are examples of excreta, and these two excreta are released by the lungs. So the lungs also can be taken as an organ for excretion as well as respiration. So that's all about the 4 life processes introduction. Children, you go through these sentences in the introductory paragraph of life process chapter. In fact, viruses do not show any molecular movement in them until they infect some cell, and that is partly why there is a controversy about whether they are truly alive or not. Could you get it? We have seen that all these life processes are going on in a body, then only we can call it a living body. In a virus, these life processes are not shown. The moment they infect our body, they reach our body and hack our mechanism, and they conduct these life processes. It means they are only the hackers. Viruses cannot survive as a living being without entering a living cell. Now you got it? I hope now you understand how this social distancing and home quarantine helped to stop the spread of coronavirus, today's villain. Concluding with the points once again: nutrition, that is the intake of nutrients from external environment to the living body, and utilization. Respiration is the unlocking of energy from these nutrients, and transportation is the transportation of oxygen and the nutrients from one part of the body to all living cells of the body. Likewise, the excreta from the cells to the excretory organs for elimination, and the excretion is the elimination of excreta, that is the body waste, metabolic waste like urea, uric acid due to the metabolism of the nutrients like protein, and cellular respiration as we discussed in the chemical equation, carbon dioxide and water. These are the excreta. Elimination of these by the excretory organs is known as excretion. Thank you for watching the video.